everyone, welcome back to London Layers. Today we are venturing into stunning Epping Forest, a hidden gem just outside London in Essex. And I'm very excited to show you the whole Oak Trail. You can reach Epping Forest by tube in around 40 minutes, depending on where you're starting from. It's a quick and easy escape into nature. The Oak Trail starts at Threading Point Station, which is on the central line of the London Underground. After exiting Threading Point Station, walk straight, then turn right onto the main street, followed by another right. After 10 to 15 minutes of walk, you'll spot a public footpath with a fence. That's where the Oak Trail begins. Hi. Follow the fence path to a small wooden bridge, your gateway to Countryside Park. Hike up for a stunning city view and a century-old deck. Follow the sign of public footpaths and it's so muddy here, and then you'll see horses here, pastures, horses, but be careful, it's so muddy. While walking along, you'll see these beautiful houses. The owner of the farm has said just follow along the footpath, don't enter the property. So be mindful about that. Follow this sign of Oak Trail, turn left, and here you're gonna see beautiful houses in the countryside. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. See the sign on the road, and then you'll see these signs. Walk straight into the jungle just nearby to these signs, where it says Eppington. Just near the signs there is a jungle going on, just walk inside it. Cut across through these woods, you'll see the main highway here, but you really have to go in these woods and forests again. After an hour in the jungle, you'll spot Jack's Hill Car Park across the road. This leads to a deeper trail. We found it quite scary. If you're up for another hour of adventure, go for it. Otherwise, stick to the main road to the station.
Step backwards.
Follow this river, see these blue ribbons, just follow the ribbons and this river. You'll see various signs when you'll come across Threading Point Station. Somehow you'll see this water tunnel, whatever it is called, that way. You see, he's my guide man. That's why I love him so much. Anshu, have this stick. Oh, man versus wild. This is the last stop, Deer Sanctuary, and this is how I looked at the end of the trail. So muddy.